I wonder where are the two of them right now?
Nagbabadya ang hangin na nakapalipot sa'kin. Tila merong pahiwatig, ako'y nananapig. Di naman
Hey Jazz, can you come with me to buy something there?
Let's go, let's go.
di inaasahan.
How about you?
Sa paligid umawit-awit, natutulala sa nakakaakit-akit mo. Tinatangi, napapangiti mo ang aking puso. Giliw, di mapigil ang puso. Ang damdamin ko, mukhang mapapaamin mo, amin mo. Giliw, nagpapahiwating na sa'yo. Damdamin ko, napagtanto na gusto kita.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ko sisimulan. Binibigyan kulay ang larawan na para bang ikaw ang nag-iisang bituing, nagsisilbing buwan na kapiling mo. Sa likod ng mga ulap, ang tayo lamang ang tanging magkakanaan.
Ibon sa paligid umawit-awit, natutulala sa nakakaakit-akit mo. Tinatangi, napapangiti mo ang aking puso.
Huh? What's that for? Thank you.
So, can I court you?
The truth is, I like you too. I just don't have the courage to tell you because, we're friends.
Really? Yes.
Giliw, di mapigil ang bukso. Ang damdamin ko, mukhang mapapaamin mo, amin mo. Giliw, nagpapahiwatig na sa'yo. Ang damdamin kong napagtanto na gusto kita. Gusto kita, gusto kita, gusto kita.
Anong salamang kang meron ka, binabalot ka ng makita.
Anong salamang kang meron ka, ako'y nabihag mo na.
Jasmine?
Oh, I believe I saw her come down here.
We didn't understand each other earlier.
Maybe that's why she's a little sad, so...
Love, I miss you so much. Love, I miss you so much. The last time we'd seen each other was ages ago. Hey, did you know while I was on my way here, you wouldn't believe what I saw? Are you even listening? You're not listening. Oh my god, do you even love me?
I still love you, but it's not the same as before.
Is that true? Why? Am I not enough for you?
You know, you haven't done anything wrong. I just can't feel the spark like before.
Then what do you want? I really love you and I couldn't live without you.
I still love you, but maybe you're just a pastime now.
Maybe that's fine. That makes you happy.
Ano ba?
Bakit ba hindi mo na ako tinatawagan? Pumayag na nga akong maging pampalipas sa oras mo,
Hindi na kita gusto. Tama na, sis.
Bakit? May iba na ba?
Oo, aminin ko, meron na.
Sino? Sino? Sabihin mo sa akin kung sino.
Didn't you know I'm his boyfriend? To be honest, I just use you to get closer to him. Now that he's made me, there's nothing you can do.
Giliw, di mapigil ang puso